Alright, so I picked up another one of these boxes and kind of want to go through them again and look at some of these a little bit closer. So you got 3 autographs per box, 60 cards per box, and then you get silver parallels and sneak peek, peak performance, next level autographs. And, okay, so we're going to open this up and see what we get. And that's going to be, like I say, that's going to be the autographs there. Which is nice to know that you're going to get 3 autographs. Not just on average. And then you're going to notice, like, something I just picked up, this, that you have 2 different, you got this kind of silver and then this type of background too. So there's Jaden Daniels, that's by LSU. Yep. And there's Mayan Williams. This should be Ohio State. Tyler Show. Texas Tech. Frank Gore Jr. That was what University of Southern Mississippi. Keon Coleman. I'm gonna maybe try to see how many you have of the silver of these. Keon Coleman, Florida State University. And that's Tavian Robinson. That could be Kentucky, I believe. University of Kentucky. Kalen Bullock, and that should be USC. Southern Cal. And there's the next level. Raheem Sanders. That one. Arkansas. And then you have Xavier Worthy, that's going to be Texas. That was the easy one. Lane Hatcher. That one. Ball State University. Peyton Wilson. North Carolina State University. Okay. And next level, that's Malik Neighbors. And that's going to be LSU. So you even have, like I said, the next level, you have like that one. But you have and that one I had like two of those. So not too sure really what the parallel is, or you think you'd have more or less silver. Okay, and we got Dylan Gabriel. In Oklahoma. That one. AJ Henning. Northwestern University. Ben Bryant. Maybe Northwestern again. Yep. Devin Leary. University of Kentucky. And then that's Lydanium Webb. University of South Alabama. So Ally Jennings. Virginia Tech. Jerzon Newton. That should be what? Florida Gators, I think. University of Illinois. Well, wrong. And there's a 5-star. Barry Sanders. AMJ Devonshire, University of Pittsburgh, Rook, yeah, we'll try that one. Clemson University, Tyler Huff, Furman University, and then Tyreek Funderburk, Appalachian State University. So you get some, what Division II, or I guess that'd be Division II. Okay, so we got Joe Corvarius Marks. Is that going to be Texas A&M? Mississippi State University. There. Corey Cromes, University of Minnesota. Blake Corum, that's going to be Michigan. That was the easy one. Spencer Rattler, University of South Carolina. Malik Neighbors. Let me see here. And that was like LSU. So I know I got one beforehand. Let's see here. Let me see. Oh, that was that one. Yeah, so that was. And Casey Thompson, maybe Wisconsin, Florida Atlantic University. Yeah, fail on that one. Jalen Harrell, that's Michigan. Davius Richard, NC Central University. And then we got Sam Hartman, quarterback, next level. Bo Nix, quarterback, next level. And then we got Zion Tupelua Feduli. That would be like Washington. Yep. And the next level of Jaden Daniels. This should be LSU. And I got Jacob Cowing. Is that Auburn? Arizona. That was an A. KJ Jefferson. Oklahoma. Arkansas. Close, but no cigar. Cam Brown, that's going to be UCLA. That was an easy one. Bryven Spanford, Minnesota. University of Minnesota. So I guess I'm right. Xavier Worthy, that's Texas. Jamari Thrash, University of Louisville. Malachi Moore, should be Alabama. Yeah. Jack Kaiser, that should be Notre Dame. Yeah. And then we got some Barry Sanders. Andrew McCoy, that'd be Clemson, right? And you got 5-star 1998 season. And then you got another 5-star then like I say, even there you got little, that's kind of like a silver. You got those. So it's kind of interesting to see what silver parallels you can get, or if they even like, more or less. You think, with a parallel you'd be less than the other one. And so now the last one, Trey Benson, Florida State, right? Yeah. Will Shepherd, Vanderbilt University. Troy Franklin, that's going to be Oregon. That's easy. I don't even have to look at it, but I will. There, I'm right. Mason Fairchild, University of Kansas. Winston Wright Jr. I almost say Florida State, but oh, okay, yeah. Just from the side, it wasn't looking interesting. Brennan Armstrong, North Carolina State University. Kobe Bryant. That one I think was, because I pulled him before, University of Kansas. Jalen Ford, that was Texas. Tyreek Chappell. That one was it Arkansas? Texas A&M. Fail. Josiah Stewart, Michigan. Jaden Janicki, South Dakota State University. And next level, Frank Gore Jr. So on those ones, I got like 4, and then I got 3 of those silver ones. So I mean, a little bit less. I'm not too sure how many of those compare to these silver ones. It looks like it's almost even. I'm just gonna back to back. It's pretty much even on that one. That's, what you think of parallels, you could have less of one. If they are parallels on the base cards. Okay, now for the autographs. A sneak peek of Ricardo Hallman, RH2, that's his jersey number. And that's from University of Wisconsin. And now we get Kamani Vidal from Troy University. So we actually get to 4 autographs. Not 3 this time. And we got Devin Carter. And that's University of West Virginia, University of West Virginia. And the final one, Matthew Sluka, Holy Cross University. So that's kind of interesting there, you're supposed to get 3 autographs for a box, and this one gave us 4. 2 sneak peeks, and there's 2 of those ones. So anyhow, that's kind of the Sage. So I'll get that uploaded. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.